So you want to actually compete, not just play games but win them. That means you need a laptop that doesn't hold you back. No stutters, no input lag, no regrets at 2 in the morning when you're down to the last round. Let's find you the right weapon. This is the ASUS ROG Strix G18, and it's built for someone who's serious about competitive gaming. We're talking an 18-inch screen with a 180Hz refresh rate, which honestly changes everything when you're playing fast shooters or fighting games. The responsiveness is just different. You'll notice it immediately in your aim and your reaction times. The processor and graphics card combo here handles whatever you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Valorant, Counter-Strike, Apex Legends, Fortnite, they all run at frame rates that feel genuinely buttery smooth. The standout moment for me was jumping into a ranked match after a long session and realizing I hadn't felt a single frame drop or stutter. The build quality feels premium too, which matters because you're going to be moving this around, taking it to LAN or friends' places. It's thin for what it is, but it doesn't feel cheap. Now here's the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16. This one's for the competitive gamer who also doesn't want to sacrifice portability or style. 16-inch screen, 160Hz refresh rate, and honestly that's still plenty for competitive play. The real difference with this one is the design. It's sleeker, it's lighter, and it doesn't scream gaming laptop from across the room if that matters to you. The thermal management is seriously impressive because they've done some engineering to keep this thing cool without sounding like a jet engine during intense matches. I ran back-to-back ranked sessions and the performance stayed consistent while the fans stayed relatively quiet. You get a lot of the same processing power as the bigger model, so AAA games run great too if you're not strictly competitive. The trackpad is genuinely usable, which sounds small but matters when you're traveling for tournaments and don't have a mouse hand. The Acer Nitro 515 is a different kind of play. This is for the competitive gamer who wants serious performance without overthinking it. 15-inch screen, 144Hz refresh rate, solid processor and graphics card setup that handles competitive titles at high refresh rates without issue. It's straightforward, no unnecessary design flourishes, just performance where it counts. The cooling system works really well even during extended gaming sessions, and the keyboard has good key travel, which is important when you're grinding ranked matches for hours. It's also noticeably lighter than you'd expect, so if you're regularly taking your setup places, that matters more than people think. The standout here is value. You get legitimate competitive performance without paying for extras you don't need. It just does the job and does it well. So which one wins? The big Strix is the aggressive choice if you want the absolute edge in competitive response time with that 18-inch 180Hz display. The Zephyrus G16 is the smart pick if you want that same competitive power but need to actually move around and don't want to carry a beast. And the Nitro 515 is your move if you want to compete seriously without overthinking the specs and just need something that performs. All three will get the job done, but it depends on your lifestyle. My pick? The Zephyrus G16. It strikes that perfect balance between competitive performance and actually usable portability. You get the refresh rate, the responsiveness, and the processing power you need to compete, but you're not stuck with a massive brick. It's the laptop that feels built for someone who actually plays competitive games, not just someone who wants people to think they do. If this helped you find your next gaming laptop, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech that actually matters. Thanks for watching.